So in this video, we'll be going over the process of setting up a repeatable block of code to perform some sort of a cycle in your G code when using myCNC. So here I have such a program already set up. So let's say we run it and we see what happens. I will be drawing a square, and then I will be moving down 0.1 of a millimeter on every cycle. So we draw a square once, we move 0.1 of a millimeter down, we draw it again, move down, etc., etc., until we have completed the required number of repetitions. So now let's look at the G code to see how that's implemented. Here we have two local variables, number 10 and number 11. Number 10 is our number of repetitions. It is equal to 40 in my case. I can set it to be different. Let's set it to 50. And our local variable for height is number 11, which at the beginning will be set to 0. So now let's go through the rest of the program to see how it works. We have this line, number 100. We go to our current height, stored in local variable number 11, which for the first cycle will be 0. And then we draw our square. After that, we will subtract 0.1 from our local variable number 11. So let's say after the first cycle, we expect the new local variable number 11 to be equal to negative 0.1. And then we subtract 1 from the number of repetitions value. And after that, at the end, we check if the number of repetitions is greater than 0, we go back all the way to line number 100. So as long as this number of repetitions is more than 0, this block of code will keep running over and over again. And after we've done 50 repetitions, this will stop and the program will end. So let's save and see how this works. We reload, and you can see that I have increased the number of repetitions here because, again, I have added 10 extra repetitions within my G code. Okay, so we're drawing our square. And after that is completed, we're going down 0.1. Okay, clear enough. Now let's look at a different block of code for this program right here. So here I am doing a very similar task. I am drawing a circle, and then I'm moving to the right and repeating it 5 times. Then moving back to the same x value, repeating it, moving back, repeating it, moving back, repeating, moving back, repeating. So overall, I have 25 circles being drawn by using some sort of a subroutine. So let's take a look at our G code to see how that's done. Here I once again have two local variables in which will be stored our x value and our y value. We will be, in our G code program, moving to those x, y values, and then we will be summoning some sort of a subroutine. So here we have our command to summon a subroutine, M98. We give the name of the subroutine we're summoning, so this is subroutine 101, so right here, and we give the number of repetitions, L5, so 5 repetitions. So we are expecting to summon this subroutine right here. And here something interesting happens, which is within this subroutine 101, you have another subroutine which is called, which is our subroutine 100. So you're first summoning this subroutine 101, telling the program to repeat it 5 times, but within it, you're also summoning this subroutine 100, which is what is going to be drawing your circle. So from here, you are going to be moving to your XY values. You're going to be drawing your arc, so your circle with radius 10, and then you're going to be adding 40 to your X value. After that, you will complete the subroutine, jump back out of it, and after you've completed it 5 times, you will move back to X is equal to 10, and your Y value, once again, the Y value is this local variable 101, will have 40 added to it. So let's go over it once again just to see what we expect to happen. We expect to run the program and jump here, then jump here, draw 5 circles, after which we will jump back to x10, and we'll jump to y is equal to 50, then y is equal to 90, etc., etc. So let's run this program and see how that works. All right. So we have our circle. I'm going to increase the overspeed a little. And it will keep repeating over and over until 5 circles have been drawn, and then it will move back and forth until it has finished the 25th circle right here. So these methods are a little bit different. This one is admittedly perhaps a simpler method. However, the subroutine method is very useful when you would like to embed subroutines within one another. So for example, you can have a subroutine within a subroutine, etc., etc. Both of these are useful when creating a block of code which will be repeated within myCNC. Thank you for watching. Please visit our documentation at docs.pbautomation.com for more information.